Want to fix iOS 26 spatial video not working on iPhone? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. First of all, you need to swipe down the screen and tap and hold the home page. Click on this plus icon. Head over to your gallery and choose any of the photo or the video that you want to add the effect. Once you've selected the photo, well, if the photo has been zoomed in automatically, all you gotta do is zoom out. And if you have the latest version on iPhone, it will automatically convert it into spatial video or the photo. If not, click on this three dot icon and then click on Depth Effect. There you can see that the effect has been added. But for you, if it is not working, then what you need to do is simply turn off the Wi-Fi and then turn back on. Make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. Once done, now what you need to do is you have to restart the device. Tap and hold the associative dots and then click on Restart. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed the issue. So after that, try adding the effect and you might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.